Hi everyone, it's Nat from Studio Hacks here, and in this video I'm going to be giving you a review of Pictory AI, which is an online video creation tool. Pictory AI is known for doing text to video, so you can actually take something created by AI, or you can even take an article off of your own blog or someone else's blog, and then you can turn it into a video really quickly and really easily. You can make YouTube videos, you can make TikTok videos, and it's really good to make faceless videos. So if you want to make content for TikTok and YouTube and you don't want to appear on the video yourself, and if you don't want to speak as well, they even add a voiceover for you. So if you'd like to see how it works, stick around and I'll show you right now. So first of all, if you want to try out Pictory AI for free, you can use the link in the description and the pinned comment. And if you go on to make a purchase in the future on one of the paid plans, you'll get 20% off for life using our link, because we are a VIP affiliate with Pictory AI here at Studio Hacks. And before we go into this review and short tutorial, make sure you do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Less than 1% of the people who watch our videos are actually subscribed. If you have subscribed to Studio Hacks, leave the comment yes in the comments section and I'll get back to each and every one of you. So basically, this is what it looks like when you sign up for Pictory AI. You can get going with the free trial straight away. And there's a script to video, an article to video. You can do video editing, so you can add captions to a video that you already have, or you can create a video from a bunch of images that you have. My two favorite tools are the script to video and the article to video. I'm going to click proceed on the script to video. I want to create a short YouTube video. So I'm going to use an AI writing tool that I really like called Hix AI to write me a short script. I've used Hix AI to make a short YouTube script for a video. I'm going to copy and paste that. This is a review of an online service called Smart Proxy. So what I'm going to do is just quickly edit this text and get rid of anything that doesn't need to be in there, and I'll join back with you. So when we've got our script that we want to turn into a video, we're just going to hit proceed. Then on this screen, we're going to select a template. So I'm going to select this business one, and I'm going to make it a 16:9 ratio. So a standard YouTube video. So what Pictory AI has done is it's broken up the text that I've popped in there into a number of scenes, and it's popped some visuals. So this is royalty-free stock footage in there, and it's turned it into a video for us. If you don't like the footage that Pictory AI has selected for you, you just go over here to the left to visuals and you can select something else. So you just click on that and that will replace that visual. So it's turned it into a professional looking video with captions and visuals. Now we just need to take care of the audio side. So I'm going to select the audio tab right here, and we need to pick our music and also our voiceover. So let's see what the music it's picked for us. I'm going to select this one because it sounds a little bit more professional and hit apply. Now I'm going to go over to voiceover and I'm going to select a voiceover for this. So this is going to read out the text for us.
Welcome to Pictory.
So I'm going to select this one, the Addison, which is a female voice, and hit apply. And now we can basically preview what the video is going to look like by hitting preview up here.
Hey, have you considered using Smart Proxy? If you have, but you're still unsure, you've come to the right place. In this Smart Proxy review, we will address whether this provider is suitable for you or if you should look elsewhere. Currently, Smart Proxy is the third largest proxy provider in the market.
Okay, so you get the idea. Now, what I do with these videos, because I've heard that YouTube is cracking down and demonetizing faceless videos that use AI voices, what I do is I download this video and I put my own voiceover on it. So I just talk into my microphone. With that said, I have plenty of these style of videos up on some of my YouTube channels, and they're still monetized and everything's going good. They're getting views every day. So basically, when you want to upload this to YouTube or wherever you want to use the video, if it's on your blog or your website, we're just going to hit download, and that's going to download the video file for us, and it's ready to go. So that's the basic gist of how you use the script to video. It's quite easy and quite quick to make content. Now, if you want to use the article to video tool, it's very similar. So I've just found a review of Smart Proxy on a blog here, and I can just actually paste the URL of that blog post in there. So basically what the AI has done is it's gone into this article and it's found the key points and it's turned that into now this script. And if I was to hit next, it'll take us to that video editor that we just saw, and then we'll create this into a video. Now you can deselect and select various bits of text in the blog. And so this is great for turning someone else's blog post or article into a video, or one of your own blog posts, so you're repurposing your own content. And from here, we just go next, and you just do everything the same as what I've already shown you. So I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial and review of Pictory AI. I really like this piece of software. I have been a pro member for about a year now. I use it to create TikTok content and faceless content for some of my other YouTube channels. If you want to give Pictory a go, you can get a free trial without even entering any credit card details. The link is in the description and the pinned comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.